Old Alabama Gardener here. Today I'm talking about soap, but I'm not talking about just any old soap that you might buy at a grocery store. We're talking about soap made by Angela. So here's my package. Let's get it open and see what we got. Looks like we got one bar of some soap. Apparently it has a little bit of an orange fragrance, so we'll check that out later. Two of the little flowery shaped pieces of soap. They were unscented, by the way. And then we've got a little, there's our second piece of flowery soap. And then we've got a little soap rack. You know how soap sticks when you lay it on the counter or in the shower? So that's going to help it not to stick, be easy to pick up. And then last, we have a scrub, I guess I'd call it a pad. You can put soap inside it and wet it and begin to scrub your elbows and your knees, and you're going to change all that old rough skin into pleasantly soft skin. So here we have a listing of the ingredients. Notice they're all good stuff. It's not going to be doing your skin any harm. And it has a nice fragrance. It really smells good. And it's got a little bit of a, so again, this is stuff that's made naturally by Angela. I encourage you to get over there and check her place out. Now, when we were at the Cookeville Appalachian Homesteading Conference, Angela presented a class.
It's such an energetic.
So here is Angela. She has a table set up. She's on the arena floor, and she's actually showing you right there in the conference how to make soap. Now the young girl there is Angela's daughter, Jaylyn, and she's helping Mom by holding the microphone. Now here we have Angela's son, Weston, and his favorite chicken, Golf Ball. Weston was working at Angela's display table selling soap to earn money to buy his favorite chicken, Golf Ball, some treats. Now this blue bar of soap is one I have been using this soap for years, but I'm going to switch now. And you look at it, and I'm using cold water, and yes, if you really work on it, you can start to make a little bit of a lather or a little bit of a suds, but it didn't happen easy, and there's not a whole lot of suds there. So I'm thinking, well, you know, let's see what the other soap does. All right, so this is Angela's soap. It's one of the little flowery shaped soap bars. Same kind of cold water. Let's see what it does. Now you notice right away it's starting to produce lather, starting to produce some suds. In a moment you'll see a really large bubble form up there on it. Look at that bubble. And so obviously this soap is producing lather, which we tend to equate lather to cleaning. Much better, much more lather here than with that blue bar soap, store-bought soap.